Permanent marker isn't so permanent. Dentures can clean your toilet. Bananas are great for shiny shoes. The line between genius and insanity is often a slender one. It's a dirty job, but someone's got to do it. I'm Mike with List 25, and here are 25 genius cleaning hacks for everyday life. 25. Lemon in the microwave. Hot lemon is good for colds. It's also good for your microwave. Put some fresh or bottled lemon juice into a bowl of water. You'll want half lemon juice, half water. Now, you are using a microwave-safe bowl, right? Just checking. Shut the bowl in the microwave and cook it for around 3 minutes on high. The resulting steam will pummel all the grease. Give it another 5 before opening the door and wiping off the crud. Be careful of your hands too, because it'll be hot. Shockingly so. 24. This is the key to cleaning your keyboard. As you may be well aware, the average QWERTY keyboard is dirtier than a toilet seat. What to do about that? Enter the humble sticky note. Simply fold it and slide the sticky side into the gaps between the keys. Any crumbs or day-to-day yuckiness should be lifted right out. 23. Taking care of toilet business. I'd say this hack is particularly relevant to our older viewers. Great news, you can use denture tablets to de-stainify your toilet bowl. I mean, if you can remove dirt from your teeth, it's got to be good for your bathroom enamel. Only use one tablet and let it sit for half an hour. Give it a brush and then a flush. 22. A shoe-in. You may have watched our other video where we advocated the use of newspaper and rice to dry out wet shoes. That's all well and good. But what about the inevitable funky odor from our footwear? Don't buy expensive odor eaters. Throw a few dry tea bags in there and 24 hours later you should be strutting your stuff with confidence. Talk about refreshing. 21. Lint roller on your lampshade. Sometimes an obvious answer can be right in front of you. A lint roller is a no-brainer for clothes, furniture, pet hair, and so on. Did you think about rolling one on your lampshade? 20. Lemon in the garbage disposal. Where would cleaners be without lemons? This natural cleanser can even be used to freshen your garbage disposal. If you have a lemon peel, then chuck it right in the disposal and let those metal teeth do their work. Dish soap, vinegar, and citrus should also be part of your regular routine, though don't go crazy with it. And remember to use cold water. 19. Mirror, mirror. I'm not saying I love looking at myself in the mirror, but let's face it, it can be irritating to see streaks on the glass. And windows? Don't get me started. Thankfully, there's a cleaning solution, so to speak, that combines water, white vinegar, rubbing alcohol, and surprisingly, peppermint oil. 18. Ink stains. Arguably the most horrifying stain of all. Nothing gets ink out of clothes. Or does it? The good people at Tide recommend using a cool wet towel for wool fabrics. Another tip is to use hairspray before blotting with a cloth. You can also take a soft toothbrush and scrub the stain with water and white vinegar, though go easy. Dab and blot, and hopefully you'll have salvaged that outfit. 17. Tupperware stains. It's aggravating when you wash your Tupperware after, say, a curry or pasta and find the inside stain a bright yellow or whatever. Delicious, but a devil to clean. One way to tackle the problem is to use a baking soda paste made with warm water. You need to leave the paste to do its thing for a day or so, and it might be a rinse and repeat situation. It's not the quickest, but hopefully the results speak for themselves. 16. Tennis balls on your pillows. Sounds uncomfortable, yet this is part of a brilliant cleaning hack to fluff up your pillows. All you have to do is put the pillow in the dryer, add the balls, add a fabric softener sheet, and perform the cycle on medium heat. New balls, please. Though you won't need new pillows, that's for sure. 15. Wax on, wax off. If you're someone who burns the candle at both ends, as in literally, then this one's for you. A gently heated iron applied to a paper towel placed on top of a wax stain should result in a great cleaning hack. It works by melting the wax and absorbing it into the paper. As with regular ironing, take care not to burn anything. 14. Sticky windows. Maybe you have kids and they thought it was a genius idea to put a sticker on the window. Now that you've removed it, you're left with that gritty, grimy residue. Put some cooking oil on there and wait a little while. That sticky stuff should then be easy to scrape away. Greasy for sure, but good stuff all around. 13. Banana hack. It's easy to slip on a banana peel, but it's even easier to clean your shoe with one. You aren't hallucinating. This is an actual cleaning hack. Gunky as it sounds, you can wipe your shoes with the fruity side of the peel and then polish it off. 12. You don't really need furniture polish. Damn straight. According to cleaning expert Leslie Reichert, furniture polish is only needed a couple of times a year, at most. Microfiber cloths not only make the wood in your home shiny, it keeps more dust at bay than the polish. So if you feel the need for gleaming, pristine wood, then reach for a handy pack of cloths and spray that polish sparingly. 11. Glitter pickup. Glitter gets everywhere. It's one of the unwritten rules of parenting. Help is at hand, however, thanks to good old-fashioned Play-Doh. Use it to dab glittery surfaces, although it isn't recommended for skin because a cotton ball and coconut oil combo instead is said to be pretty good for glitter on your epidermis. Ultimately, you'll look less fabulous, but there are a few things more irritating than seeing those sparkly bits in every nook and cranny weeks after your children's party. 10. Dishwasher light fixture hack. Dishwashers are great for cleaning glass, so why not use them for light fixtures as well as drinking glasses and such? You don't want too much shaking around with these delicate items, so putting them higher up and away from stuff like plates should avoid any damage. 9. The news on bin juice. You can line a bin with a plastic bag, but bin juice is an issue that sometimes can't be contained. By putting layers of newspaper onto the bag, you save a whole other cleanup job once the trash has been taken out. Newspapers are an old school thing to have lying around, but they are super useful. You could try using other types of absorbent paper too. Your receptacle will be less juicy and smell better, because no one wants juicy receptacles. 8. Colgate on crayon. You can also use other brands of toothpaste, but the main thing is to apply fluoride-rich gunk to any crayon marks your precious child may have drawn upon the wall. Waxy walls come up a treat with just a squirt of paste, a toothbrush, and a damp cloth. Remember, you don't need to scrub hard. The toothpaste should do most of the work here. 7. Rubber gloves and pet hair. Remove pesky pet hair from furniture by simply putting on a pair of rubber gloves. This hack is especially ingenious because using your hands is a much smoother and more streamlined way to collect fuzz and fur. No more putting stress on your wrist with a lint roller or rubber brush. Plus, instead of pulling at the icky ball of hair which collects in the brush, you can have it in your gloved hand from the get-go. Just pop it in the trash and job done. 6. Permanent marker. Permanent? I don't think so. Hopeless as it may seem, you can lift off marks from a marker. Mix vinegar and water equally before putting it on the inky patch. After a few minutes, the so-called problem stain is ready to be wiped clean. 5. Moisturizer and paint. This is when a regular cleaning hack reaches a level of genius. Have you ever thought of creating a barrier between your kids' hands and that gloopy paint they use for fun activities that aren't so fun to clean up? Moisturizer is just the job for this task. The paint sits on the oily surface and comes away pretty easily when run under the water. I'll bear that in mind the next time I'm making my potato art. I mean, when my child is making their potato art. I don't have a kid. What is happening here? 4. Gum freeze. Can you believe that ice cubes are super handy when it comes to gum on your clothes? Place the little frozen saviors above and underneath the gum zone. Go watch a couple of our videos for an hour and a half, and after that, the gum should be fairly solid. Take the blunt edge of a knife and scrape the substance off. Apply some detergent, throw it in the wash, and it's like you never chewed anything in the first place. Yeah, this is British. Bung it in the wash. We don't say that in America. That is definitely from Britain. 3. Salt stain hack. You probably shouldn't be wearing things like leatherette shoes while out in frosty conditions, but if you do, the salt used to melt pavement ice can wreak havoc on your fancy footwear. Remove the stains by using half a cup of distilled white vinegar mixed with a cool cup of water. Wipe the stains clean with a cloth using the powerful solution, then buff it all out with a microfiber cloth as a finishing touch. 2. Dry and dusty curtain clean. Amen to curtains, but boy do they pick up dirt, dust, and general grit. Turns out you can get it off by putting your curtains in the dryer on a no heat cycle. Add a damp towel, and this should collect the icky stuff as everything tumbles around. Reportedly, the dryer's air fluff setting plus a timing of approximately 20 minutes is recommended. Now all you've got to do is clean the towel. 1. Club soda and red wine. Refreshing though it sounds, this is in fact a cleaning hack. Yes, club soda is highly effective in removing a dreaded red wine spill. Larry David famously used a soda and salt combination for this problem in Curb Your Enthusiasm, but according to experiments undertaken by Epicurious for the Huffington Post, simple soda left to marinate for 8 hours or so takes care of a wine stain all on its lonesome. So, what other cleaning hacks do you use? Let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and check out our social medias, including my personal ones. Links in the description below. And if you like this video, you will love 25 cleaning hacks you'll wish you knew sooner. So just click the link right here. It's actually one of our top videos of all time. So I think you'll love it because it speaks for itself. All these other millions of people did, so check it out. They didn't watch it for nothing. You might learn a thing or two, like this one. Learn more cleaning hacks. Spring cleaning is right around the corner. As of the filming of this video,